Scott Hines trucking outfit. That is Ryan Peterson's outfit. Kevin-year-old driver. And he's out that drive in the middle of the racetrack right now. He's going to pull up beside her and challenge for a second. And Dallin racing the third line in on. Now the Alabama looks like going to fall in for third. Driving man hard in front end of the speed right now. He's up by a quarter of a length. And that is OSI Energy, and that is Jordan Vandale. Right up beside her is Ryan Peterson's outfit. Kevin-year-old doing the driving. Now they're jockeying back and forth in position. And Dallin Pickett racing has found the hole on the outside. They're all going to buck up as they come off the far side of the racetrack. Hallelujah, cheer. We're pushing